I use Justdial to receive new leads for my business, and here after receiving the leads, managing them was very time consuming task. In that case, I got up a simple automation solution that helped me to capture the leads through my Justdial portal and add them in my Notion database as a new item in order to have the leads data in an organized format. Yes, here on my screen you can see a simple connection that I have set up between my Justdial account and my Notion database using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see multiple options such as sign in and sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first, and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow from scratch, select first option. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chat and it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick builder. Let me add it. It says when a new lead comes in from Justdial, add it to Notion. And after analyzing my request, it is asking which Justdial trigger should start this workflow. So we're going to select new leads, and for Notion I'm going to select create database item. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received our workflow link. That means we have successfully created a workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin through automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here we have selected app and the app event, and we have received our webhook URL. So here we are going to use this webhook URL to connect our Justdial with Pabbly Connect. It says to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your Justdial account. Reach out to your account manager from Justdial. Justdial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL on the user interface of their application. Hence, you need to send this webhook URL to the Justdial point of contact or the backend team. So basically, you need to copy this webhook URL and send it to the backend team of your Justdial account in order to set up the webhook inside your account. Once the setup is done, you are going to receive all your leads inside Pabbly Connect. For now, I'm going to copy the webhook URL and send it to my backend team in order to receive the dummy response over here. So let's wait for some seconds. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received name, email and the contact number. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received the new lead, instantly we are going to add it as a new row inside our Notion database. So we're going to build a new connection over here and we're going to click on this connect with Notion. Here you can see Pabbly is requesting for the access. So we are going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. So firstly, we are going to select the pages that are all pages, and then we are going to click on this allow access. You can see we're now successfully connected. So I easily got connected because here I was already logged into my Notion account in the same browser. Okay, then here it is asking me for a database. So here you can see I have a database with the name Justdial leads. I'm going to select same from the drop down. And after selecting the database, it is asking for email address, mobile number and the name. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that I'm going to receive a new lead through a Justdial, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter / first and then we are going to map map the email address. Here I'm going to map the phone number. And lastly, we are going to map the name. Okay, after adding the details, this content is not required once. We're going to leave them blank and we are going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added new data inside our Notion database. Let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And you can see we have successfully added a new data over here with the name dummy user. Here you can see the email address and the phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Justdial and an action as Notion. So that we're going to receive a new lead through our Justdial, then instantly that detail is going to be added as a new item inside our Notion database. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to add your Justdial leads into Notion database. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.